Hello all, wishing you a healthy, wealthy New Year. Happy New Year 2025 to all my viewers. As we begin this new year, I have decided to launch a series of sessions focused on mathematics. Today, I want to talk about the number line, which I believe is a fundamental concept for a beginner student to grasp the basics of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The number line has been a useful tool for me in the visualizing basic math concepts, and I thought it would be helpful to share this with others. While the number line is a crucial concept, it is often overlooked. For this reason, I have decided to use it as the foundation for my upcoming series of sessions. Let's get started. So we're going to start in basic maths covered in number line. Number line. A number line is usually represented horizontally and can be extended infinitely in any direction. This is a horizontal line with two arrows on it, which means they're infinite direction and with numbers on. And there's some rules in here, so maybe you can understand with the rules. Numbers increase when moving to left to right, and decrease when moving right to left. They are always in sequential order. So like I said number increases when we move left to right, and it decreases when I move right to left. Rule 2. Numbers are spaced evenly on a line to show that the value between the intervals are the same. So, did you see that 0 and 1 are the same, have the same space between in 1 and 2. So 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 5. They keep going on. Number line, used for addition. To add, move to the right from starting the number on the left of the plus sign. For example, if you want to add 3 and 4, start at 3 and keep going 4 times to your right. So let's, like I said, move 4 times and forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where do we stop at? We stopped in 7. What's the answer? The answer is 7 because we stopped in 7. Number line used for subtraction. To subtract, move to the left and start with the number on the left side of the subtraction sign. For example, if we want to take away 4 out of 7, start from 7 and keep moving left 4 times. Like I said, move left 4 times. Or backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. What did we stop at? We stopped in 3. What's the answer? The answer is 3 then, because we stopped in 3. Number line used for multiplication. To multiply, skip counts in groups to the right starting from 0. For example, start from 0 and skip counts of 2. Like, it means groups of 2. Repeat this 3 times, which means we have to do it 3 times. So 1, we've skipped a 2, 2, we're in 4 now, and 3. We stopped in 6. So that means the answer is 6 because we've stopped in 6. Number line used for division. To divide, skip counts in groups to the left starting with the number to be divided. For example, start from 6 and skip count in groups of 2 until you reach 0. So we'll start on 6. See the amount of pops we do is the answer. So we start in 6. 1, we landed in 4. 2, we landed in 2. And then we landed on 0. And how many hops have we done? 1, 2, 3. That means the answer is 3 because we've ended on 3. Number line used for comparison. The number line can be used to compare two numbers. Number which takes more to hops to reach starting from 0 is greater number. For example, compare 3 and 6. So 6 is bigger than 3 because when we start in 0, it takes more hops to reach to 6. That's why 6 is bigger than 3. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.